Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus Zenbook 14 Duo UX8402V. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Asus Zenbook 14 Duo UX8402V won't charge at all, you may be facing a common issue with the charging circuit. This can happen due to various reasons, such as a faulty charging port, damaged cables, or internal component failures. If left unaddressed, this problem can lead to a complete inability to use your device, making it essential to tackle it promptly. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a replacement charging circuit, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your components from static electricity. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover of the laptop, starting from one corner and working your way around to avoid damaging the casing. Once the back cover is off, locate the charging circuit, which is typically situated near the charging port. Carefully inspect the area for any visible damage or burnt components. To extract the faulty charging circuit, unscrew the screws holding it in place with your Phillips screwdriver. Be cautious with the screws, as they can be small and easy to lose. Apply a gentle force to lift the charging circuit out, ensuring you don't damage any surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the old circuit, take your replacement part and align it with the connector on the motherboard. Gently press it into place and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect any cables that were detached during the process, taking care to ensure they are firmly connected to avoid future issues. Once everything is secured, carefully replace the back cover of your laptop, ensuring all clips are engaged. Power on your device and check if it charges properly. If everything is in order, congratulations, you've successfully repaired your Asus Zenbook. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check your charging cables for any signs of wear and tear, and avoid forcing connections when plugging in your charger. Additionally, keep your device clean and free from dust to ensure optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.